What's up, guys? So we're at my buddy Ed's shop. Just unloaded the Mustang, and today we're gonna pull a trans out. We'll probably end up pulling the engine out at my house. So yeah. Fight! Good question. I wasn't pushing it because I don't have a cage, but I was hitting 160 on the banking. So coming out of 1 and 2 onto the backstretch, probably I could have gone faster, but I didn't. I do too. For some reason. Should be able to get it out now.
Hit the other side.
That's where all the oil went. I'm gonna try and do it so I don't goober it up with this. Oh, there we go. I don't think this is gonna work. Everything's just in the way. We could put a wrench on it. I think this is going. There we go. There's one.
Are you gonna have to lift the rear?
Huh?
Rotate the drive shaft?
Yeah, actually. Forgot about that. We don't have a 2-post. But the good thing is that
this has a jack on it.
Yeah. I don't remember the drive shaft bolts of the 96 being this long.
No, they're not.
Holy Toledo.
85-mile long bolts.
Mm-hmm. What we do. Do this.
Yeah, you could do that.
Is that even on there?
But
okay.
You get paid that good? Man, I love the job. It's super flexible hours, so I can still get the kids 5 days a week.
Yeah. Alright. If we lower this down, it should.
Got it?
Oh, it's on there pretty good, actually. Okay. Yeah. Is yours on there pretty good, Anthony, or is yours going to drop down?
I haven't tried that.
Go ahead and try it. Pull yours in down.
I think it's sitting in like a groove. Yeah.
There it goes. Go ahead and... Is it?
You gotta drop that side. There's a like a conical thing inside.
It's on there pretty good. You're gonna mount it?
Yeah, they're pretty.
Oh, thanks. Sucker's on it pretty good. How about a Phone's vibrating for some reason. Oh Jesus, this thing's fucking heavy.
Ow.
Oh, wait a minute. There's nowhere to swing it to. That's the problem. Fuck. This won't come down at all.
Ow.
Oh my god, why is this on there still?
I think your is that boot broken or?
Yeah, looks like it. Well, just don't drop it.
Drop it.
Alright guys, so I'm pretty sweaty, but we have got, ouch, I keep smacking my head on those freaking exhaust. All of the bolts except for the top two off. I've got the clutch line off, the harness is off. So we are going to take the two top bolts off the trans, and the trans is out. I've already done this too. Taking the shifter off as well. Go back.
A little bit.
Yeah, pull it back.
Seems to get stuck.
I mean, it's off.
Lower it down a little bit. Slowly. Stop. Now.
That sounds like it did something. Can you pull it back further? You're almost out. You can see the shaft. I'm gonna lower it down a little bit because I think we're already out.
Yeah, it's hitting the bell housing now. Just keep dropping it. Keep dropping it.
Alright, we're out. You can push it forward a little bit if you need to.
Huh?
You got the...
Yeah, just drop it down. Good.
Alright, how are we going to do this?
How heavy is this thing?
It's not like terrible.
So,
Good?
go, pull it out.
That's out.
Grab that.
Okay, I'm good.
Well, that's out. And you rip your bag.
Damn it. Alright guys, so trans is out in the car. Car is still on the lift. We're getting ready to put it down on the ground. So just gotta be careful of these headers because obviously the motor is not attached to the trans cross brace. Also, check all that oil out. Hopefully you guys can see that, but all that's oil. Don't worry about this. This is all brake line or brake fluid from the clutch line. So there's the clutch. I shoved all of the all the trans wires up in here just so they're out of the way. And then I zip tied, can't really see because of the light, but I zip tied a zip tie across here to hold the exhaust up. So yeah, go ahead and lower the car back down and put her back on the trailer and bring her home for now.
Oh my god. I'm just sliding on this floor.
I'm almost there, I can feel it. Hopefully the header's clear. Oh, they don't. Fuck. Now I'm stuck in here. Pull the engine towards you and give her a push.
Go!
Alright guys, so after a hot tiring day, Mustang's in the garage. Trans is actually sitting behind over there in the corner. The new engine's still in the box, so probably the next episode or the next video, we'll go ahead and pull the engine out, and then we may or may not disassemble it in that video. But yeah, stay tuned. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit the subscribe button down below. And yeah, let us know what else we should do to this motor, because I've got some aftermarket goodies coming for it. We're just waiting on stuff to arrive, but let us know what we should do. We'll see you next time. Bye.